If you haven't checked, I created a video how to create reports inside of Salesforce, and now I'll show you how to send that report on weekly basis, on monthly basis, on daily basis to your email, so you have the report, or maybe you want to send it to your boss, to your manager, how well your sales or something is performing inside of Salesforce. So let's go to my computer, log into your Salesforce account, then go to reports and look for reports on regular basis to yourself or to somebody else. This is the report I created in the previous YouTube video, and this is last week donations. I'm volunteering for organization called Dignitas Ukraine. We are helping Ukrainian defenders and first responders for providing technology and educating them how to use this technology to protect ourselves from Russians. And I want to send this report to myself and others, somebody who donate $500 or more, and send them personalized email, thank you email. So this is the report I created in the last video. So now what I need to do on this drop down, I need to click subscribe, and I'll be subscribing to this report. Frequency, first it's daily, weekly, monthly. I want to do it weekly, days on Monday, and let's do it, let's do 1 p.m. And the file I want to attach is formatted report. And so this Excel file, so basically it will export the report I created and it will attach to the email, and it will look like this. So as you can see in all information, and it also have the attached file Excel, and then send email to whom. So myself, but also I want to add others. Yeah, so I added 2 more people, so myself and 2 other people who should receive this report. And I click close, and it's asking me how should I run report. I want to run report as myself, and also if there are any conditions. I can add condition, but I'll remove it. For example, this report, let's say if it has zero context, let's say nobody donated to our organization $500 or more for the last week, I do not want this report to send to my email. But honestly, I will rather send empty report saying it's 0 versus not to send, because if I said not to send, people will be asking where is the report. So I click save, and it's done. So this is how you set your reports to send to your inbox. In case you have any questions, please let me know. Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly or leave the comments below. We are reading those questions and we are responding to them. And if you are not subscribers to this channel, please subscribe. It does help our channels to grow and help us to produce more valuable content for you.